Watch out now, watch out now. Howdy, hey, welcome back. This is like video number 4, part 3 of the vinyl floor install. Like I said in the last video, this video basically is just going to be about how to remove your toilet in case you're trying to do a vinyl floor install or anything. If you need to remove your toilet, this is basically a how-to remove your toilet. Well, not how to. It's just going to be how I did it. Not saying it's right, not saying it's wrong, but it's just going to be how I did it. So, hope you guys excited about the video. Let's get it. All right, first step in removing the toilet. Get you some gloves. Get you some gloves. We already have the water shut off. And if you want to know, on the side of the toilet, it should be a shutoff valve, which is located on this toilet, this right here. You just twist that valve. Most times you twist it clockwise and it'll turn it off. And counterclockwise will turn the water back on. So I've already have this one turned off. And you still have a little bit of water left in the toilet. So what you want to do is grab your wet, dry vacuum shop cleaner, whatever you want to call it, shop vacuum cleaner. Find you a good outlet. Well, I might have to find an extension cord. Be right back. One extension cord later. Get you a wet, dry shop vacuum. Turn her on. Next step is going to be, there are some water lines that's connected to the toilet. You want to get those loose. Well, I'll go ahead and fight with it for a while and I'll get back with you. All right, once you get this line started, let's go ahead and continue till it's loose. I have it loose. It's gonna drip a little bit of water, it's all right. All right, now these bolts don't look too promising. These are the bolts that hold the toilet down. They don't look too promising. Sometimes you can get them off, sometimes you can't. So instead of me fighting with it, just cut them off. I have it here, I'm gonna just go ahead and cut them off. This is all you have to do. One cut off, it's one more. I have a real good spot to get in here. All right, now we just gotta lift her up. And I'm gonna just pick her up and set her in a tub. I was about to say toilet and tub together, but pick it up and set it in the tub so I don't make a mess everywhere. Now bear with me now. I wasn't eating my beans and weenies. I'm a little weak, so if you hear me, just bear with me. Here we go. And all you want to do is just lift it straight up. Get her here. Get another hand on it. Set her in the toilet. I'm in the tub.